Hi friends, we are creating wonderful websites using WordPress. And in this video, we are going to create a website for nightclub or disco. So it is going to be interesting, and if you are targeting any such website, this video is exactly for you. And after watching this complete video, you will be able to decide the theme, and the theme that we are going to use called Miami. And after watching the video, you'll also able to install the theme and start creating your website at your own. Okay, so you have to select the theme only after watching the installation process, what is laying inside the theme. And we have target website like any of these. So we have multiple layout. We can choose the slider version, the image version, or the video version for nightclub website. So let us quickly install the theme. I have this fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using the default WordPress theme 2023 on the latest version of WordPress. I am using this cPanel based hosting plan, and you can get all these things that you need for your website simply by following the video description links. Okay, so let us proceed. Before proceeding, I'll show you the theme pack that you'll get from the Envato Market, that is on the themeforest.net through the video description link. And in the theme pack, I have premium plugins. So Miami plugins are here, the WordPress themes, so the main theme files, the child theme file, the licensing, and the documentation part. So we have to use only this file. So this is only the installable file. Let us proceed for installation. On a core installation of WordPress, we can simply jump in the theme section and click on add new upload theme. And here we need to choose the installable theme file. Under the directory WordPress themes, we have to select this Miami and the version name. Simply click on the install now, and it will install the theme in just few seconds, and it is going to be super simple for you as well. Depending upon your server capacity, it may take a while. Yes, so it has been installed successfully. We can go to the theme page. We have now Miami as another theme option. I'll check the details. This is Miami version 1.3.9 by Fox Themes. So I must tell you, the Fox Themes are original developer of this theme called Miami, and they are Power Elite author at Envato Market. So you are going to get a well-coded, clear theme, of course, and it has got wonderful star rating as well. So let us proceed further. Now, this is time when we have to activate the theme. On activation, we are here, and what want to help? Okay, so that is fine, and we need to install certain plugins. So we can also follow the this installation wizard, but yes, I'll show you the theme plugins that is required. Miami plugin, this is core plugin that has been included from the external sources. It is a required plugin. Similarly, Visual Composer is here. So this is also a required plugin. Contact Form 7 by default. Contact Form DB. This is also a good plugin for handling the Contact Form 7 database. Restaurant reservations. Okay, so this is adding for reservation function at our website. Like, so we can have reservation functionality as well. So this is the reservation functionality. This is coming from a plugin. Okay, so and the up core Google Maps is here, and WooCommerce is of course here. So just in case if you're selling or offering something for sale, WooCommerce will help you. So I'm selecting all these plugins, 7 plugins, selecting installed and clicking on apply now. It is going to install all the required and the recommended plugins. Okay, so all plugins has been installed. You can see the activate links are here. In case all plugins did not get installed at once, you can follow the install links one by one to install all the required and recommended plugins. So all should be installed properly. Okay, so we are here, and now I'm selecting all once again, and this time I'm going to activate all the installed plugins. So this is the link. We can select activate, and I hit on apply just to activate all the installed plugins. So we have successfully activated all the installed plugins, and we can simply go back to the dashboard just to check whether we need any further action for installed plugins or theme. Okay, so we are here, and I can see some new links are here, like bookings I can see here, and theme options. I am certainly going to show you all these options. So in the next step, I'm going to show you how we can proceed for demo content install. So meanwhile, we can take a look of our website, how it looks. Okay, so this is the basic look of website. that is using the Miami WordPress theme. That's the dedicated theme for nightclub. And it has got wonderful star rating, of course. So we need to import the demo content to make a target website like any of these. So we have 3 target websites. So we can choose any of these versions, video, image, or slider, whatever. So we can proceed further for importing the demo content, and I'll check the options where we can import the demo. Under appearance, I can see there is a link called import demo data, and I'm going to select this. And this is again, we are here, and it is showing the installation wizard. So we can simply go with this wizard that is going to help us in installing the theme. Let us go and default plugins, continue. Good news, all plugins are already installed and up to date. We can continue here. So this is the screen where we can select the demo content, what actually we want to import. So by default, all is selected. Since it is a new installation, it is good idea to have all the content. So I can simply go with continue, and it is going to bring all the demo content at our fresh installation. So it is a time taking process. Of course, it may take 5-10 minutes depending upon your server speed, internet capacity and all. So you have to show your due patience here on this screen without disturbing it. Just wait and until you are getting any message on this screen. Just to check if we are getting images, I have opened the media library in another tab to check we are getting images. If we are getting images, it means the demo import is going fine in the backend, and we have to wait on this screen. So just keep it going, and the system is working automatically for bringing all the contents for our demo website. Okay, so meanwhile the demo content is being imported, I will show you the theme options. This is a panel through which we can set the basic things of our website. So this is general screen where we can choose the site type, one page or multi-page. This is a good thing that we can use any of these options. You can also have a single page website. Header area, so you have to upload the logo image in the header area. You can change the logo. Blog is basic settings, and you can store the blog description and all. Footer area can give you the access on the footer content, and you can change the map latitude and longitude here, map markers and all. Social is the thing where you have to upload all the links, that is API and the Secret API, Facebook app API ID. This is also a very good AI interface for integrating the social media accounts at your website. Custom CSS and JSS, again, if you want to use. 404 page backup, if you are willing to export the backup of existing installation, you can use this. Not exactly the complete backup, this is just a setup backup. Okay, so these are basic things that you can use for setting up your website. I can see contact form 7DB is here. It is just an associate to contact form. It is going to show you all the submissions that is coming from the contact form 7. I mean the front end forms. This is very important that this feature is available in the theme itself, because contact form 7 by default does not store data in the database. It only sends email at your email account. So it is a good idea to save all the data that is coming from the contact form, and so that you may make future plans like promotions and all. So this is another thing. And next I can see the payments and the WooCommerce part are here, just if you are selling anything. Bookings is another part that you might be using at your website. Since it is a nightclub website, bookings can be a part of that. So you have to handle the bookings area, like the basic settings, and the booking details can be seen here, and the booking settings you can go. So how you want to offer the booking at your website. So again, it is a good thing that the booking system is already there in the theme itself. So you can schedule the booking options, schedule exceptions, early booking and the late bookings, and all such things that you need for implementing the booking system at your website. You can find here. You can also integrate the payment system for booking here. So like payments, you can offer the payment screen, and you can use the PayPal and all. So styling and the labeling. Okay, these are the things that you can use in the case itself. Okay, wonderful. And these things are as common as in WordPress core installation, so you can explore all those options as well. now I can check the import status. Okay, so I believe the import is complete in the background. We are here at the customize section. So it comes only when the demo content import gets complete, and we are fine here, and we can simply go to the customize. And okay, so it is complete now. Wonderful. And we can check our website. Wonderful. So our website is here, and we can simply check our desktop settings. So the cart and the sample page. Okay. Let me check the pages that we have received. Okay. So I can see no pages has been included in the demo. It is strange, and this is my objective to show you what is available in the theme, so that before buying any theme, before taking buying decision, you may actually understand what is available with the theme. So pages are not available. I just checked the documentation part, and it has been clearly mentioned in the theme documentation by the developer itself that we need to create pages at our own. Yes, steps has been given here, and I created the one page just to check. So I can see the documentation shows all the steps through which we can create the page, and even the core code has been given here. But in the demo content, I did not receive any content. So it is the first thing that I have seen like such type of thing. But yes, I never used to hide anything. So it is totally up to you how you can proceed with the theme if you want this. And I just created the page using the same raw code, and I can see the page is now looking like this for a moment. Okay, I'll show you the actual page. This is the page, and I used a certain part of code. Further, we have rest of the code as well on the documentation itself. So you can use these things, but yes, I am clearly saying the pages are not available in the demo. It is totally up to you how you want to proceed with this theme, and it is available at Envato Market through the link if you want to create with this theme. All features you'll get definitely coming from the bookings and rest of the things and the rest of plugins. But yes, you have to create your pages using the WP Visual Composer or the available options on the page, just like me. Yeah, as I created this one, and we can start further go for editing the website. Okay, so I believe this video remained helpful for you in understanding all the features of the theme, and we can further go for exploring more themes available for upcoming WordPress website projects. So editing with the WP Bakery Visual Composer is also not so hard. So you can also create your pages at your own using the page builder, and you can use the front end or back end editor as per your convenience. And you can keep adding the rows and styles. So this is very simple. And just in case, if you want a custom pages from us, we are available for you. You can buy the theme and join the iCreate program. We are going to help you in every respect in making your website live and up. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you. So we overview Miami Nightclub WordPress theme in this video. Thank you.